Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carolyn. This is an exciting video. We all know that the Sephora Vib Rouge is here, 15% off everything, the whole entire store, and they have a sale. So these are some of the products that I think it's worth to splurge your money on. And if you want to find out, just keep on watching. Concealer. Something that brightens up your eyes, make you look like that Kim Kardashian look. Girl, NARS is expensive as concealer for this little tube here. This is all the products you get for very expensive in Canadian dollars. Concealer, or you could get kind of something similar from the drugstore by NYX that costed under $10, which is so much more affordable. But these two are really good in concealer. A lot more creamy. It has better coverage. And just everything about this concealer is one of the best concealers that I've tried. I also have the Kat Von D too, which is way thicker than this. Covers everything. All of the struggles that we go through with skin problems. That's normal. We all have that, so it's fine. We need to conceal that. Those blemishes are really annoying. But we got concealer or this concealer, whichever one that you choose. They both are as great. They both have its pros and cons for the two products. NARS concealer, expensive for Canadian dollars, 6 milliliters of product. It has really nice packaging, it's simple. The products inside is amazing. It has full coverage, it's buildable, or you could go for light coverage if just add a little bit. It's also very long lasting, and it makes you look awake and not dead. NARS has a really good coverage for being lightweight, covers everything. It gives it a really nice radiant glow, and it's really creamy. Good for dry skin, which I have dry, normal skin, sensitive skin. This concealer is very amazing for that. My Kat Von D concealer, this is thick. The type of concealer that really covers up everything. It's way thicker than the NARS creamy concealer. This is a lot more lightweight too, so depending on your choice, something that you're looking for. 17 milliliters of product in here. It's a little squeezing tube. Not a fan of this kind of packaging, but for the coverage, a little goes a long way for this one. 3 little dots for this one, and it covers the whole entire under eye for that. This is the Lock-It concealer, but this makes your foundation apply so much easier, especially if your foundation is thick consistency and you want your foundation to apply evenly. This will fix that problem for you. So if you're having that problem, definitely go pick this up and try it out and see how you like it. You have 30 days to return it if it doesn't work out for you. I've been using this since last year, and it's so cheap for the price. Especially, we all know Sephora has such expensive ass products. Tom Ford, one blush, $40, almost $100, something crazy like that. One lipstick, almost $80, $90 for one lipstick. I don't got that much money to spend on a lipstick. So this affordable, The Ordinary, really does help your skin revive and makes your skin a lot more taken care of and radiant. As your foundation so much more easier, especially if you have those foundations that are a little bit thicker, help your foundation apply more easily and less cakey. I use the Brow by Benefit. It includes a brush, which you guys all know I love things, special palettes or anything that has the product itself, and also compactable with a brush, so whenever you travel you don't have to worry about buying another brush. The product that I've been using for about 2 years now, and I still have more than half of the product in there, which is crazy. I have it on right now. Hopefully I did my eyebrows evenly. They're never even, but when it's my eyeliner, never. This brow product really, when you apply it, it's so smooth when you apply it. It's so precise with the brush. If you don't like the brush, you could always change it and use the brush that you usually use. But the brush that it comes with is the only brush that I use to do my eyebrows. It's amazing. I'm sorry if you can hear background noises in the back. Just ignore that and concentrate on these beautiful products in front of me. That is definitely worth your money. Comes with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, long-lasting, oil-free, paraben-free, temperature control. Absolutely true. It You could see a difference between if I applied this and sprayed this on my skin and if I don't. When I don't, my face makeup doesn't tend to last, as it just completely sets my look and it doesn't move around my makeup. When I apply this, it also makes your skin look so flawless. It gives that glowy kind of look back into your skin, but it's not like glowy like, oh, you oily girl. It's not like that, but it's like that perfect in between. Sunscreen is so important. It's one of my essentials for summer. I don't leave the house unless I apply this. This is the Tarte Guard 30 SPF. It's a moisturizing lotion. So when I apply this, my face looks really white casted. I do not like that. I apply a little bit of Aveeno lotion with this. Prevent the cast, that ghostly kind of cast where the ghost looks. That's not a look that we're going for. We want something that's not ghostly like that, especially because I'm a little bit tan for being Asian. We need our face to match our necks. We don't want like this and this separate, like white face, white cast face, and tan body. Not a cute look, not my look. I mix this SPF with my Aveeno lotion. It reduces the amount of white cast that it has first thing before I apply my foundation. The Perfect Deal, the Professional Pro Balm. This is a primer. It comes with a large one and a small one. It's travel size primer. Also gives you a full size primer for the Professional. This has been one of my favorite primers of all times. You can get your hands on this, definitely go grab a pack. But it also includes a small one, so it's the same price but for two of them instead of one. Perfect deal for this primer. I definitely recommend it. It soothes your pores. It gets rid of and minimizes your pores. It makes your pores so nice, so smooth. It smells like citrus. If you're into that, that's the scent that it smells like. Tarte is packed with pigments. A little goes a long way, so be really careful. You could always add a little bit and build up. Once you build it up, it's perfect color, but when you add too much, you can't take that away. You have to redo your whole entire face again, redo your foundation. We don't want that, especially if we're in a hurry. No, that's not an option. So if you're in a hurry and you're scared that might happen, just completely skip blush, unless you absolutely have to, or find something a little bit more neutral and not as pink like this one. This one is the more of a neutral kind of blush. I personally never use blushes because I always overdo it or there's just too much pigment. I always look like a clown wearing a blush, so I just completely skip that. Don't wear blush. But for this one, it's actually a nice color. It gives your face like a little hint of color, but not too much like, oh, that chick has blush on her face and she overdid that. So this is something to prevent if you're not that good at blush like I am. This is the color that I would go for. Bronzy, it's beautiful. This is good for every skin tone. Waves or creating illusion of sand. Beautiful texture. It's so soft. Actually, let's try this bronzer on camera. Does give you that inner depth. It really gives you that glow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also let me know down in the comments below what your favorite products are from Sephora.
Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.